Cancer. It's a word that strikes fear into all of us. For decades, the battle plan against it has been brutal: cut, poison, burn. Surgery, chemotherapy, radiation. It's a war of attrition against our own bodies. But what if I told you there's another way? A method that's more like a special forces mission than a carpet-bombing raid. A technology that uses the power of light itself to hunt down and destroy rogue cells. And the strangest part? This isn't some distant future science. The basic principle has been known for over 100 years. And the greatest unsolved mystery is, why is everyone silent about it? This technology is called photodynamic therapy, or PDT. The concept behind it is brilliantly simple, almost like something out of science fiction. Instead of poisoning the entire body to kill cancer cells, you turn the cells themselves into their own self-destruct mechanism. It works in 3 steps. Think of it as a biological smart bomb. Step 1, the Trojan horse. First, a patient is given a special light-sensitive substance called a photosensitizer. And this is where it gets interesting. Many researchers focused on substances derived from one of the most basic building blocks of life on Earth, chlorophyll. The very same substance that makes plants green. It travels through the bloodstream, but has a strange attraction to cancer cells, which absorb it far more actively than healthy ones. It's like a spy that has infiltrated an enemy fortress. Step 2, the targeting system. After a couple of days, the spy has settled deep inside the tumor. Healthy cells have mostly cleared it out, but the cancer cells, on the contrary, are hoarding it. Now it's time to aim. A doctor directs a non-heating laser beam of a specific wavelength at the tumor. This light is harmless by itself and passes right through healthy skin. Step 3, flipping the switch. But when this light hits the photosensitizer hidden inside the cancer cells, a switch is flipped. The substance becomes energized and activates the oxygen already present in the cells, turning it into a highly reactive killer, singlet oxygen. This toxic oxygen immediately triggers a chain reaction that destroys the cancer cell from the inside out. The fortress is destroyed, but the city around it remains unharmed. No poisoning of healthy tissues. No large-scale destruction. Just a precise, targeted strike. Sound futuristic, doesn't it? Well, the photodynamic effect was first discovered in the year 1900. A German student, Oscar Robb, noticed that microorganisms died when exposed to a certain dye and light, but survived if only one of those factors was present. Scientists quickly realized the potential. They even discovered that certain compounds naturally accumulate in tumors. The roadmap was laid out. For decades, pioneers like the physician Viktor Borisov, who dedicated over 40 years of his life to this work, refined methods using chlorophyll derivatives, believing that the key was held in nature. They saw the promise: a treatment with fewer side effects, one that could be repeated without the same cumulative damage as radiation. And this brings us to the central mystery. If the science is over 100 years old, and the concept is so effective and elegant, why isn't PDT the first thing your doctor suggests? Why is it still considered an alternative or last resort treatment in many places? The official explanations mention limitations. For example, that light can only penetrate so far into the body. And that is a valid scientific challenge. But we look for the answers that aren't in the official textbooks. Could it be that the solution is just too simple? You can't patent light. You can't patent a natural substance like chlorophyll in the same way you can a complex chemotherapy drug. The cancer industry is valued at hundreds of billions of dollars and is built on patented drugs and expensive radiation machines. A therapy that uses a natural compound and a precision laser fundamentally disrupts this economic model. So, what do you think? Is photodynamic therapy a fascinating but niche medical tool with real limitations? Or is it a revolutionary concept that has been deliberately kept in the shadows because it's too simple, too natural, and not profitable enough?